Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to change your domain name in your Shopify store. Updating your domain helps brand your business and makes your store easier to remember for customers. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find it at the lower left corner. Once we are there, click on it. Then select Domains. Click on Domains to open it. To change your domain name, click the pencil icon next to your domain. This allows us to edit the domain name. For example, we can type in a new name. Make sure the name is available before saving. Note that we cannot use reserved names like admin. As you can see, that name is not accepted. Once we enter a valid name, it will be applied as the primary domain for your store. And that is how we change a domain name in a Shopify store.